Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. Myself Surbi Chaggi, your science educator. So today we are going to start with our new topic of chapter 3 solid, liquid and gases. But before starting our new topic, let's quick revise our previous topic. So in our last class, what we studied about? We have discussed what is matter. Okay, anyone? What is matter? Matter, anything which occupies space and has mass is called matter. Right. And what is matter made up of? Matter is made up of atoms and molecules. Right. So today we are going to discuss with our new topic element and compound. So let's start with our new topic. Okay, ball and stick model of water molecule. So we have already discussed about what are atoms, what are molecules. We know that matter is made up of extremely small particles जिसे हम molecules कहते हैं, right? So and molecules are made up of atoms which are extremely small. Definite atoms in definite number join in a definite manner to form molecules of a certain matter. For example, this water molecule, one atom of oxygen and two atoms of hydrogen join in a definite manner to form a molecule of water. For example, this red ball represent oxygen and this gray balls represent hydrogen. तो ये क्या बन गया आपका water molecules H 2O, right? So H2O. So the ball and stick model of a molecule shows how atoms combine to form the molecule. Each ball represent an atom. Different atoms are represented by different colors and it also shows how atoms are held in a molecule. Okay, so molecules of some substances such as that of water are made up of more than one type of atom. यहाँ आप देख सकते हो कि water molecule है, यहाँ पे एक से ज़्यादा atom use हो रहा है. One oxygen and two atom of hydrogen, right? Whereas some molecules of some substances such as oxygen are made up of only one type of atom. Now oxygen molecule का formula होता है O2. तो यहाँ पे सिर्फ oxygen ही use हो रहा है. So oxygen are made up of oxygen molecule are made up of only one type of atoms. So different substances are made up of different kinds of molecules, but all the molecules of a pure substance will be exactly the same. Okay, so next topic. आर यू गेटिंग माई पॉइंट? आपको समझ आया कि क्या मैं वाटर मॉलिक्यूल आपको बता रही हूँ, मॉलिक्यूल्स क्या होते हैं, एटम्स क्या होते हैं. नाउ आई थिंक आपको समझ आ गया होगा व्हाट इज़ द डिफरेंस बिटवीन एटम्स एंड मॉलिक्यूल्स, राइट? ओके, नेक्स्ट टॉपिक इज एलिमेंट्स एंड कंपाउंड. सो what is element and what is compound? A substance whose molecules are made up of only one type of atom. जिसका सिर्फ एक एटम से जो आपका सब्सटेंस बना है, जिसके मॉलिक्यूल सिर्फ एक एटम से बने हैं, उसे आप बोलते हैं एलिमेंट. फॉर एग्जांपल ऑक्सीजन, यू कैन सी यहाँ पे ओनली वन टाइप ऑफ एटम यूज़ हुआ है, ऑक्सीजन. नाइट्रोजन, ओके, हाइड्रोजन, carbon, calcium, chlorine, they all are example of elements. Gold, iron and silver are also elements. Okay, so every element has given a symbol. Most symbols जो हैं आपके have been taken from their English names, while some are taken from Latin, Greek and German names of the elements. So you will learn in your higher classes that none of the molecules are made of the same type of atoms, and this is true for every element. No two elements are made of the same type of atoms. So what are compounds? Compounds क्या होते हैं? आपको अभी element समझ में आया? Are you getting my point? Am I clear to you all? That a substance whose molecules are made up of only one type of atom. For example, ऑक्सीजन. बट वाटर इज़ नॉट एन एलिमेंट, क्योंकि वाटर में आपका हाइड्रोजन भी है एंड ऑक्सीजन भी है. सो वाटर क्या हुआ आपका? कंपाउंड, राइट? अ सब्सटेंस हुज मॉलिक्यूल्स आर मेड अप ऑफ मोर देन वन टाइप ऑफ एटम्स इज कॉल्ड अ कंपाउंड. फॉर एग्जांपल वाटर, फॉर एग्जांपल CO2, For example, CO2, right? That is carbon dioxide. For example, ammonia. Ammonia क्या है? For example, ammonia. Ammonia is also the compound. So the atoms that form the molecule of a compound belong to certain elements. For example, molecule of carbon dioxide. आपका कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड में will have one atom of carbon and two atoms of oxygen because the formula of carbon dioxide is CO2. And similarly, a molecule of ammonia will have one atom of nitrogen and three atoms of hydrogen because the formula of ammonia molecule is NH3. Okay. See, NH3. ये NH3 क्या है आपका? अमोनिया है, राइट? NH3 इसमें ये आपका कंपाउंड हो गया. एंड फॉर एग्जांपल आपका कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड CO2 ये भी आपका कंपाउंड है, राइट? और ये भी आपका कंपाउंड है. सो अमोनिया इज़ ऑल्सो अ कंपाउंड, कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड इज़ ऑल्सो अ कंपाउंड. एंड एलिमेंट आपका ऑक्सीजन है. गोल्ड आपका एलिमेंट है, राइट? सो गोल्ड इज़ एन एलिमेंट. ओके, आई थिंक अब आपको समझ आ गया होगा दैट व्हाट इज़ द डिफरेंस बिटवीन एलिमेंट्स एंड कंपाउंड्स, राइट? सो as you can see in this figure, hydrogen gas is an element. As you can see above, it is made up of molecules containing the same atom. Only one type of atom appears in hydrogen gas. Water is a compound because it is made up of molecules with two different types of atom. And air, in your higher classes you will learn about the mixture also. So air is a mixture. Why? Because it contains both elements and compounds. Air में आपकी nitrogen gas भी है, oxygen gas भी है, carbon dioxide भी है, ठीक है, मीथेन भी है, सो वाटर वेपर भी है. सो एयर इज़ अ मिक्सचर. एंड जो एलिमेंट है, hydrogen gas is an element, water is a compound. I think now you all are able to differentiate between the element and compounds. Okay, got it? Are you getting my point? Am I clear to you or crystal clear ना कि क्या होता है element and compound? Okay, so these are some of the examples of elements and compounds. Can anyone tell me कि इसमें से elements कौन से हैं, compounds कौन से हैं? Yes, I know. आप सब बता पाओगे. Yes, ऑक्सीजन क्या है आपका? ऑक्सीजन का मॉलिक्यूल हो गया हाइड्रोजन, नाइट्रोजन, कार्बन. सो अगर नाइट्रोजन गैस है, हाइड्रोजन गैस है, ऑक्सीजन गैस है, राइट? सो दीज ऑल आर द एलिमेंट्स. ओके, एंड oxygen, nitrogen, hydrogen, carbon, calcium, chlorine and sulfur are example of elements. Okay, and next is nitrogen oxide, water, nitrogen dioxide, carbon dioxide. These all are the examples of compounds. Got it? Okay, so molecules and the three states of matter. So we already know that कि solid, liquid and gases are the three states of matter. A substance is either a solid or a liquid or a gas at room temperature. Okay, so matter can exist in all the three states. For example, water एक ऐसे example है. Water exists in all the three states. Solid form of water is ice, right? Liquid form of water पानी जो आप पीते हो. And gaseous form of water, when you boil the water, क्या form होता है? Water vapor. So gaseous form of water is water vapor. So matter can exist in all the three states. So molecules जो है matter के, they are held together. वो साथ में एक force से जुड़े हुए हैं, force of attraction. And the arrangement of molecules and the force of attraction between them determine the state of matter. Okay, so we'll discuss the arrangement of molecules in a solid, in a liquid, in a gas in our next class. That's all about today. I hope आपको सब clear है. And if you have any doubt in any of the topic, you can ask me in the class. Okay, so bye everyone. Have a nice day. Take care.